Riverside County Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. If you're thinking about filing for divorce in Riverside County, you're probably wondering what steps are involved and how to make sure everything is done right. The divorce process can feel overwhelming, but with the right plan, it doesn't have to be. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to file for divorce in Riverside County step by step. Step 1 is preparing and filing the initial forms. You'll need to complete the petition, summons, and if you have minor children, the UCCJEA form. These documents are filed with the Riverside Superior Court and officially start your divorce case. Next, your spouse must be legally served with the filed copies. This can be done by a third party, or if your spouse is cooperative, by using a notice of acknowledgement and receipt. Once served, the court requires you to file a proof of service to confirm that this step was completed properly. Step 3 is exchanging financial disclosures. This includes a schedule of assets and debts and an income and expense declaration. These forms are mandatory, even in amicable cases, and are meant to ensure both parties are aware of the financial landscape before reaching an agreement. Once disclosures are exchanged, you can move on to the judgment phase. If you and your spouse are in agreement, you'll draft a marital settlement agreement and submit your final judgment package. Riverside County allows eFiling, which speeds up the process, but only if your paperwork is completed correctly. We recently helped a couple from Temecula who wanted to get their divorce done quickly and peacefully. They tried to handle it themselves at first, but got stuck when their disclosures were incomplete and their judgment was rejected. We took over, corrected the forms, submitted everything through the e-file system, and their judgment was approved within a few weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in helping couples through the entire Riverside County divorce process, from the initial filing to final judgment. We know the court's procedures, forms, and expectations, so we can make sure your divorce is handled quickly, correctly, and without unnecessary stress.